12 or 4 Gospels? That's the question. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like if you like this video. I'm the professor with a bow tie. There is a question if the Gospels are 12 or 4 in Greek religious world. So what would the average Greek person would respond to this? 4 or 12? Let's see. What do you mean 4 or 12? Don't you see that you are being fooled? The Gospels are 12, of course. Go to church for a minute. In church, the priest reads 12 Gospels. There are 12 candles, each per Gospel, and the priest reads one Gospel and blows out one candle. It is obvious. Okay, but it is also obvious that the evangelists are 4. Mattheos, Lucas, Ioannis, Marcos. So 4 evangelists for 4 Gospels. Thanks to a viewer of my channel that is Philologist, we have the correct answer that the Gospels are 4. Also, I teach the Greek religion in schools, but I'm not a theologist. I am professor of Greek language, ancient and Greek language. But Greeks can do every job in the world. That's the mentality of Greek government. Yes, of course, we can do all the jobs in the world. Also, I teach, except for Greek religion, sociology. My God, I'm also a sociologist. In one school, I'm a sociologist and theologist. And in other schools, I'm, of course, the professor of Greek language, history, and culture in general. Dear God. So let's do the whiteboard and see some Greek religious words again. So, Evangelio is called Gospel, Evangelio. Also, perikopes are 12, not Gospels. Perikopes are segments of the 4 Gospels, parts, and the priest reads 12 parts of the 4 Gospels. So that's why there are 12 candles, because there are 12 perikopes. And then evangelistis, evangelist means one who brings the good news, but also one who has written a gospel. This word, like evangelio, comes from and the verb angelo in ancient Greek. Is an adverb that means well, and the verb angelo, in this case, angelo means to herald something, to say something. In this case, to say good news. This is the person who says the good news, evangelistis. And evangelists are 4. Let's see their names. The 4 evangelists are Mattheos, Lucas, Marcos, Ioannis. Mattheos, Lucas, Marcos, Ioannis. Thank you very much.